Managing money in 2026 feels different than it did a few years ago. Most people don't even walk into a bank anymore, everything happens on a phone screen. And that's exactly where Monese comes in. It's one of those apps that promises fast, borderless banking for everyone. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Monese was built for people who live life on the move, expats, freelancers, or travelers who want a simple way to handle money without paperwork or waiting. The idea is simple. Open a real bank account in minutes, directly from your phone, even if you've just moved to a new country. No proof of address, no credit history, just your ID and a selfie. In less than 5 minutes, you're ready to go. Once you set up your account, Monese gives you everything you'd expect from a modern digital bank. An account number, IBAN, debit card, and virtual cards for online shopping. You can send money instantly, receive payments, pay bills, and monitor your spending all from one clean, easy-to-use dashboard. The app automatically sorts your transactions by category, helping you understand exactly where your money goes each month. But what really makes Monese stand out is its international flexibility. You can hold multiple currencies, pounds, euros, or dollars, and switch between them instantly. Traveling? Working abroad? Sending money to family in another country? Monese keeps your transfers fast and your fees surprisingly low compared to traditional banks. Sending money to another Monese user is instant and completely free. Security is another strong point. The app uses biometric login, encryption, and instant notifications for every transaction. If you lose your card, you can freeze or unfreeze it instantly. Monese is fully regulated in the UK and EU, meaning your funds are protected under financial laws. And your data stays encrypted and private. Now, Monese also connects with Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it easy to tap and pay anywhere. You can set up salary deposits, pay rent, or even automate savings directly in the app. The interface is modern, with simple visuals and smooth navigation, no clutter, no confusion, no banking jargon. Still, it's not perfect. Customer support can sometimes take longer to respond, especially during high-traffic hours. And depending on the plan you choose, free, classic, or premium, the monthly fees can vary. The free tier covers the basics, but if you want perks like better exchange rates, higher withdrawal limits, or travel insurance, you'll need to pay a monthly fee. That said, the pricing is still competitive compared to other digital banks. For freelancers and digital nomads, Monese is a breath of fresh air. You can invoice clients in one currency and spend in another without constantly worrying about conversion rates. Everything syncs automatically, and you get real-time balance updates after every transaction. It's designed for people who move fast and don't want their money to slow them down. One area where Monese could still grow is financial products. You won't find loans, investments, or high-yield savings here yet. It's not meant to replace your full financial ecosystem, it's meant to simplify your daily transactions. Especially when crossing borders, let's be honest, Monese is not for everyone. If you prefer traditional customer service or need advanced tools like mortgages or business accounts, you might find it a bit limited. But if what you want is freedom, speed, and simplicity, Monese absolutely delivers. So, is Monese the best banking app in 2026? If you're someone who values accessibility and modern convenience, it's definitely one of the top contenders. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for those who live globally and think digitally. Final verdict. Monese isn't trying to be your old school bank, it's building something different. It's personal banking redesigned for real life, simple, secure, and borderless. And in 2026, that's exactly what many people are looking for. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews about apps, tech, and digital tools that actually make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.